OpenAI just flipped the script. GPT 5.4 beats humans on desktop work. Game over. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald. This is Friday, March 6, 2026. OpenAI's GPT 5.4 crushes the competition, scoring 75% on a desktop navigation test, outdoing the human baseline of 72.4%. It supports 1 million tokens and an X-high reasoning mode, winning or tying pros 83% on complex knowledge work. Netflix snaps up Ben Affleck's AI filmmaking startup Interpositive. Their tech uses existing footage to relight scenes and swap backgrounds, improving production workflows. Affleck joins Netflix as a senior advisor, Hollywood's AI evolution. Anthropic delivers an eye-opening study on AI job impacts. Programmers and customer service are hit hardest. Hiring for 25-year-olds dropped 14% in exposed jobs, signaling early AI disruption despite no broad unemployment spike. Ex-OpenAI chief Bob McGrew raises $70 million for ARDA, aiming to automate factory floors with AI and robotics. Valued at $700 million, this push into industrial AI reveals expanding AI frontiers beyond software. Meta faces a lawsuit after contractors saw nudity and private content in Ray-Ban AI smart glasses footage. This raises huge privacy alarms and spotlights the dark side of AI surveillance in consumer tech. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about what AI breakthroughs surprised you most. In the comments, give this video a like, and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.